Wet and gloomy, but good for snails. Morning, Carol.
Yes, it is, Susanna. Good morning. This morning there's a fair bit of cloud around. It's also rather damp. We've got some showers and there's rain on the cards. In fact, what's happening is shown quite nicely here on this pressure chart. You can see the array of fronts moving from the west to the east. Not much of a breeze in the north, but the isobars are quite close together in the south. So not only is it going to be wet, it's also going to be quite breezy. Overnight we've had some showers. Here comes the rain, courtesy of that weather front gathering now in the west, and through the morning it's progressively going to be pushing eastwards. Now most of it isn't particularly heavy, but we will see some heavier, more persistent rain across higher ground, say across the higher ground of Wales. As we move across the Irish Sea, wet across Anglesey and the Isle of Man, and also a cloudy and a wet start to the day across Northern Ireland. Here the rain not as heavy. We've also got rain across the far north of Scotland. It's a weak weather front. It will pep up for a time and then it will fade away. But much of the rest of Scotland is cloudy and it's chilly across the borders. Now for eastern parts of England there's a fair bit of cloud around, one or two brighter breaks, but equally some showers. Then from the Midlands all the way down towards the Isle of Wight, we're back under that band of rain. Now brisk winds coming in from the southwest will quite quickly drive this rain over towards eastern areas. For central and northern parts of Scotland though, it's going to be largely dry with some sunshine, and of course it's the northwest in particular where we now need the rain. And then later on in the day it will dry up in western parts of Northern Ireland, England and Wales with some early evening sunshine. Through the night, mostly dry again, a fair bit of cloud around, low cloud in the west with some drizzle, and by the end of the night we'll have more rain coming in across Northern Ireland. But not a cold night, quite a sultry one actually, most of us staying in double figures. We start off tomorrow with a band of rain across Northern Ireland, fringing in through western and southern Scotland and also in through northern England and parts of Wales. For the rest of England and Wales, drier and brighter, quite humid actually, with highs of 23. And for the north of Scotland, once again, drier and brighter, but top temperatures only about 13 to 17 degrees. But the areas we're watching from tomorrow and into Wednesday are the northwest of England and West Yorkshire, because here there is going to be a fair bit of rain and there'll be a lot of surface water around and the possibility of local flooding as well, Susanna and Billy.
Carol, thank you very much.
News just in this morning, energy regulators have set the price paid by companies delivering gas and electricity to our homes, and this could affect our own bills too. Adam's been going through